Hi, I'm Michael Newrock, and in this lesson we're going to go over charts and chart resources. So if you're using the Trend Profiteer template, you won't have to do any of this, but it's good to have some basic knowledge. So I've got a basic chart open on my Metatrader platform, happens to be the dollar CAD on the 1 hour time frame, but it could be anything. And what we can zoom in, we can zoom out, we can have it on its default bar chart, or we can change it to a candlestick. Some people like line charts, but most people will use either candlesticks or bar charts. We can turn this on or off. That's a scroll. So if we have it on, which is the default, every new bar or candlestick chart will be placed here and it'll be pushed back. Now, if we have this off, then it won't be pushed back. It gets a little bit messy, but it's good to have if you want to scroll back. So, for example, I'll just keep on scrolling here, and it keeps on dragging me straight to the straight to the beginning eventually, just per tick. Sometimes you'll get, not too far, and other times you'll get pretty far. But ultimately, it will spring you right back to the beginning. So if you don't want that happening, then have it turned off. Otherwise, leave it on. Now you can shift your chart so it's off that front edge, which is what I like to do. And you got all your chart functions here in the charts menu. So again, we've got bar chart, candlesticks, line charts. We've got time frames, so we can change to the different time frames. We're currently on the 1 hour, so we can flick over to the 4 hour or time frames, or the daily, or whatever it happens to be. So I'll just move that back to the 1 hour. So time frames 1 hour. Now you can have that displayed here in this menu system here. Right click anywhere in this menu frame and then just click the ones that you want. Standard charts, line studies, and time frames are the main ones. And now you can really easily flick around your time frames without having to go into this chart. What else? We've got the template, of course, that we've covered. That's how you can install the Trend Profiteer templates. You can turn the grid on or off. Let's just bring it back on. Auto scroll, we've already gone over, and zoom or chart shift, zoom in, zoom out, we've gone over. And the other thing that you may want to look at is properties. Now, if we click on properties, what we can do is adjust those controls from here, but it also allows us to change colors, for example. So we could say change the down bars and the down or bear candles to be red, whereas the bar and candle ups are in green or in lime. So we can click OK, and now we can see a much more attractive chart, and something that's more readable as well, which is obviously the most important thing. So that's pretty much it as far as properties go. Colors are nice. You can change the foreground and background colors as well. So if you want to customize Trend Profiteer, this is how you would do it. You just go into chart properties and change those as you see fit. So the only other thing that may be interesting or useful for you to use is this button here, the chart on foreground. And this allows you, let's say, for example, if the Trend Profiteer moving averages, for example, you find they get in the way, then just click chart on foreground. So let's just go over to the chart, say the Trend Profiteer chart here. And what we can do, right click anywhere on the chart and go to properties. I'll just bring it up here. So right click and properties, and that'll get us into that chart properties, or we can just go via charts, as I was showing you before, through to properties. And if we click, say, chart on foreground, so see here, you can see all of the indicators are on top, and then you can see the candlesticks. But if we have chart on foreground, okay, see that, how it changed the candlesticks to be in the foreground. Some people prefer that, others don't. I'll just change it back because I like the way it is with the chart on the background, because for me, it's the other indicators that are giving us the signal entries and so forth. So that's all there is to it. Bit of a quick basic summary on charts and chart resources. Until next time, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.